Over 60% of engine failures start with overheating, not mileage. And repairs often exceed $4,000 before drivers realize what went wrong. The damage builds quietly long before the warning light appears. Today, I'm revealing 11 proven habits that help cooling systems last past 300,000 miles without replacement. And missing even one of them could leave you facing a repair bill most drivers never see coming. Let's dive in. Habit number 11. Respect the tiny hero. Let's start with one of the smallest parts under the hood, and one of the most ignored, the radiator cap. It's small, inexpensive, and easy to overlook. Most drivers treat it like a simple lid. Install it once and forget it. But this tiny part controls pressure throughout the cooling system, allowing coolant to operate at higher temperatures without boiling. I've seen many overheating complaints traced back to nothing more than a weak radiator cap, especially in older vehicles. A failing cap often tricks owners into replacing thermostats, fans, or even radiators, because the symptoms look like bigger cooling problems. Here's why it sneaks up on drivers. A failing pump doesn't cause instant overheating. Instead, system pressure slowly drops. Coolant begins boiling sooner than it should, creating steam pockets inside the engine. Problems usually show up in traffic or hot weather, while the real cause has been building quietly for months. When diagnosing overheating, I often check the radiator cap first. If it's loose or can't hold pressure, the fix is simple. Replace it. Most caps cost just $10 to $40, making it one of the cheapest preventive repairs you can do. It's also recommended to replace the cap every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, or roughly every 4 to 5 years, to avoid cooling issues. Ignore it, and overheating becomes a chain reaction. Hoses weaken, sensors fail, and head gaskets suffer, with repairs easily climbing to $2,000 to $5,000. Because even perfect pressure won't help if the coolant itself has already lost its ability to control heat. Habit number 10. Keep the lifeblood clean. Coolant isn't just colored liquid sitting in your radiator. It's the lifeblood of your engine. And just like anything that works hard over time, it slowly wears out. Many drivers only think about coolant when levels drop or overheating happens. But the real issue is often old coolant, not low coolant. Inside that fluid are special additives designed to control heat, prevent corrosion, and lubricate cooling components. Over time, these additives break down from repeated heating and cooling cycles. Once they're depleted, coolant can no longer protect the engine the way it should. One quick way to know it's time for a flush is checking the coolant itself. If it looks dirty or has changed color, it's overdue for a flush. A sweet smell, rising temperatures, or a gurgling sound at startup can also mean coolant isn't flowing properly. I have opened cooling systems where neglected coolant looked like rusty water. At that point, corrosion has already started inside the radiator, heater core, and engine passages. Water pumps begin leaking, radiators clog, and overheating becomes more frequent, all because the fluid was never refreshed. The scary part? The engine may still seem fine while damage quietly builds up. Then one hot day, temperatures spike, and repairs suddenly follow. The simple habit here is flushing or replacing coolant at the interval recommended for your vehicle. It's usually every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or every 3 to 5 years, depending on coolant type. A coolant service typically costs far less than replacing a radiator or water pump. Ignore it, and corrosion spreads through the system, leading to repairs that can easily run into the thousands. Because even clean coolant can't help if airflow through your radiator is being blocked by the next mistake. Habit number 9. Trust the temperature gatekeeper. The thermostat may be small, but it controls whether your engine stays safe or overheats without warning. And like many hard-working parts, it doesn't last forever. Its job is simple but critical. It stays closed when the engine is cold, so the engine warms up quickly, then opens to allow coolant to circulate and keep temperatures in the safe 180 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit range. Over years of heating and cooling cycles, the thermostat can wear out and stick closed. When that happens, coolant can't circulate to the radiator. Heat gets trapped inside the engine. Temperatures rise quickly, and coolant begins boiling inside the engine. Continued driving can warp engine components or damage the head gasket, turning a small part failure into repairs that easily cost $3,000 to $7,000. I've seen this happen on vehicles like the Honda CR-V, where a thermostat stuck shut in traffic caused sudden overheating. The driver thought everything was normal until the temperature gauge shot up, and by the time they stopped, coolant was already boiling over. The smart habit is replacing the thermostat every 4 to 5 years, typically costing $150 to $400 depending on the vehicle. Always choose a quality OEM thermostat, since cheap aftermarket parts often fail early or open at the wrong temperature, causing repeat overheating problems. Even when coolant flows properly, heat still can't escape if airflow through the radiator is blocked by the next habit drivers often miss. Habit number 8. Let your radiator breathe. Your cooling system can be in perfect condition, yet your engine can still overheat. Why? Because heat can't escape if airflow to the radiator is blocked. At highway speeds, your radiator relies on steady airflow to pull heat away from coolant. But over time, bugs, dust, leaves, road grime, and even plastic bags collect on the front of the condenser and radiator. Since the AC condenser sits in front, debris builds up there first, restricting airflow before it even reaches the radiator. I've seen vehicles come in overheating during hot seasons, only to find the radiator surface packed with debris. SUVs and pickups that spend time on dusty roads or highways often suffer this most, even when the rest of the cooling system is perfectly fine. The tricky part is drivers don't notice it happening. Coolant levels look normal, parts seem fine, but temperatures slowly creep up, especially in traffic or summer heat. Ignore it long enough, and repeated overheating starts damaging hoses, radiators, and even head gaskets. Repairs that can easily climb from $800 for a radiator replacement to several $1,000s if engine damage follows. The habit here is simple. Inspect and gently clean the radiator and condenser fins once or twice a year, especially after bug season or dusty driving. A simple cleaning restores airflow and can prevent costly overheating problems. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, take a second to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next habits that could save you from costly overheating repairs. Because next, we're looking at the part that keeps coolant moving, and when it fails, overheating strikes without warning. Habit number 7. Keep the cooling heart strong. Your engine can overheat without losing a single drop of coolant, which is why many drivers never see trouble coming. If coolant levels look normal and there are no leaks, most assume everything is fine. The water pump is the heart of the cooling system. It continuously pushes coolant through the engine, into the radiator to release heat, then back again to repeat the cycle. Without this steady circulation, heat stays trapped inside the engine. When the pump starts failing, coolant moves too slowly, stays inside the engine longer, and temperatures quietly begin to rise. Failure often begins when pump bearings wear out, or the impeller erodes and can no longer move coolant efficiently. Nothing looks wrong from the outside, but internal heat builds, especially during highway driving or under heavy load. The danger stays hidden because coolant is still present and the temperature gauge reacts late. Meanwhile, hot spots form, metal expands unevenly, and engine parts slowly weaken. Roadside assistance reports consistently show cooling failures remain a leading cause of breakdowns, often linked to poor coolant circulation. To keep the water pump healthy, always use the correct coolant, replace coolant on schedule, and fix leaks quickly since low coolant or contamination shortens pump life. Also replace the pump during timing belt service to avoid labor duplication. Preventive replacement usually costs $400 to $900, but ignoring it can warp cylinder heads or blow head gaskets, leading to $3,000 to $6,000 engine repairs. Yet even strong circulation can't help if the wrong coolant is slowly damaging the system inside. Habit number 6. Feed your engine the right coolant. A common myth is that all coolants are the same, so mixing whatever is available won't hurt. In reality, this simple mistake quietly shortens engine life, and most drivers only discover it years later when cooling problems begin appearing. Modern engines use different metals and gasket materials, so manufacturers design coolant with specific additive packages to prevent corrosion and control deposits. When coolants are mixed, these additives can cancel each other out or react, forming sludge and acidic compounds that slowly attack cooling passages, radiators, heater cores, and even water pump components. The damage builds quietly. Coolant still circulates at first, and temperatures seem normal. But as deposits grow, coolant flow reduces and heat transfer drops. Over time, hot spots form inside the engine, and overheating starts showing up long after the original coolant mistake, making it difficult for drivers to connect the cause and effect. If you need to top up coolant but don't know the correct type, the safest move is adding distilled water temporarily, and then refilling with the proper coolant as soon as possible. Mixing random coolant just to fill the reservoir often creates problems that only show up months or years later. The rule is simple. Always use the manufacturer-recommended coolant and avoid mixing types. It costs no more than using the wrong one and keeps internal passages clean while protecting expensive components. Ignore this habit, and clogged radiators, heater core failures, or overheating repairs can easily reach $1,000 to $5,000, turning a simple fluid choice into an expensive mistake. And even the correct coolant won't last long if it keeps leaking out unnoticed. Habit number 5. Fix coolant leaks early. The most dangerous coolant leaks are the ones drivers barely notice. They start small and stay hidden for months. Here's what drivers usually do wrong. They notice the coolant level dropping slightly, top it off, and keep driving without finding the leak. But even a small leak allows coolant to escape while air enters the system. Studies show nearly 30% of cars on the road run with low coolant at some point, often due to slow leaks that drivers ignore. The danger builds quietly because temperatures seem fine at first. Air pockets form inside the engine, creating uneven heat that slowly damages gaskets and internal parts. Drivers usually notice nothing until overheating suddenly appears under load or in stop-and-go traffic. A small coolant leak might seem like nothing, but it's one of those problems that can quietly destroy an engine if you ignore it. Catch it early, and the fix is usually simple, maybe a hose, clamp, or seal replacement, often costing just $100 to $300. But let that leak continue, and coolant loss leads to overheating, blown gaskets, or even full engine damage, pushing repair bills well past $3,000. That's why it pays to check your coolant level regularly and investigate even a small drop. A leak never heals on its own. It only gets worse and more expensive the longer it's ignored. But leaks aren't the only danger. Aging hoses can suddenly burst without warning. Habit number 4. Don't let old hoses leave you stranded. A cooling hose almost never gives a warning before it fails. It simply bursts, and your engine is suddenly in danger. A common mistake drivers make is assuming hoses are okay if no coolant is leaking. But cooling hoses are exposed to constant heat and pressure, and the rubber slowly breaks down from the inside. I often see hose failures after 6 to 8 years of use, particularly in warm regions. The damage stays hidden, as hoses usually fail without visible cracks beforehand. A sudden rupture dumps coolant, and within minutes, engine temperatures spike. Drivers often don't realize what happened until steam appears or warning lights turn on. Many overheating breakdowns start with a hose that failed without warning, something that could have been prevented with a simple inspection. Check hoses during routine maintenance and replace them every few years, or as soon as they show softness or swelling. This keeps the cooling system reliable and prevents sudden coolant loss. The cost difference is significant. Replacing hoses typically costs $150 to $350. Neglecting aging hoses can lead to overheating that can cause engine damage, with repair bills climbing to $3,000 to $6,000 or more. A small preventive replacement today can easily save thousands later. And even new hoses won't help if poor water quality is quietly clogging your cooling system. Habit number 3. Only use distilled water. Using regular tap water in your cooling system may seem harmless, but over time, it quietly destroys your radiator from the inside. This is a mistake drivers commonly make. When coolant levels drop, they top off with tap water. Why? Because it's convenient, not knowing that tap water contains minerals that can settle in cooling passages. Over time, those minerals can form deposits, clog radiator channels, and reduce heat transfer. I frequently see radiators partially blocked after years of mineral buildup, especially in areas with hard water. Because blockages form slowly, drivers rarely catch them early. The engine still runs normally, but cooling efficiency gradually drops. Overheating begins under heavy load or hot weather, and drivers rarely connect it to the water they used years earlier. A simple fix? Use distilled water whenever coolant needs to be mixed or topped off. Distilled water costs only a few dollars and prevents mineral deposits entirely. Ignore this long term, and you may need a new radiator costing $600 to $1,500. While continued overheating can lead to repairs costing thousands more. Even the right coolant mix won't help if the next habit of checking coolant levels gets skipped. Habit number 2. Often check coolant levels. Your temperature gauge can look perfectly normal while your engine is already overheating inside. When coolant levels drop, air pockets form inside the engine. These pockets prevent coolant from contacting hot metal surfaces, creating localized hotspots that damage components long before the dashboard warns you. The temperature sensor may still sit in coolant, so the gauge appears normal while parts of the engine are actually cooking. According to vehicle inspection reports, low coolant is one of the most common maintenance issues found during routine service checks. Often caused by slow leaks or evaporation, drivers never notice. Many simply top off occasionally without fixing the real cause. They rarely check the coolant levels. An easy way to prevent this is by checking coolant levels monthly and topping off properly while investigating any repeated loss. This costs nothing but prevents major failures. Ignore low coolant long-term. And overheating can warp cylinder heads or blow gaskets, leading to repair bills between $2,500 and $6,000. Because overheating rarely happens instantly. It builds slowly and quietly. Even full coolant won't save an engine. If you ignore the next habit. Habit number 1. Never ignore rising temperature. Most drivers wait for the temperature gauge to warn them. But by the time it moves, engine damage may already be happening. Here's what drivers often do wrong. They assume everything is safe as long as the temperature needle stays in the normal range. But gauges react slowly because they measure the average coolant temperature, not the hottest spots inside the engine. I often see engines arrive at shops already damaged because drivers kept driving after temperatures started rising. Drivers rarely notice because overheating begins internally before the gauge shows danger. They often keep driving, believing they can make it home, while the heat continues to stress engine components. By the time warning lights appear, damage may already be done. Continuing to drive while the temperature climbs is one of the fastest ways to turn a small cooling issue into a major engine repair. The smarter habit is to treat any unusual temperature rise seriously. Pull over early. Investigate. Give the engine time to cool before any damage begins. You'll find it only needs a coolant top-up or a small leak repair. The comparison is clear. Stopping early may lead to a repair costing only a few $100s. Ignoring warning signs can result in overheating damage costing $3,000 to $7,000. Sometimes more than the car is worth. Engines don't fail suddenly. They wear down from neglected cooling habits over time. Keep coolant, airflow, pressure, and circulation in check, and your engine will last much longer. So, which habit have you been skipping without realizing it? Tell us in the comments. For more mechanic-proven tips that save money and help your car last longer, hit like and subscribe. And watch our next video on proven habits to make your car suspension last over 500,000 miles without replacement.